I could hold it and fall in love with it too.
You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Sunlight comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we take. It made me think of you, it made me think of you.
This time wasn't in our favor. This isn't goodbye, this is simply see you later.
We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why.
When you said your last goodbye, I died a little bit inside.
I used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's buried deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you.